This question is asking, evaluate 5xyz when x equals 78, y equals 4, and z equals 13. So before we start this problem, let's take a look at 5xyz. What does that mean? It means that 5 is being multiplied by x, y, and z. Whenever you have two numbers that are right next to each other, that means they're being multiplied together. So in another way of looking at this is 5 times x times y times z. So now that we know that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in 78 where the x is, 4 where the y is, and 13 where the z is. And they're all being multiplied together. So now that I've placed 78 where the x is, 4 where the y is, and 13 where the z is, I'm just going to multiply these numbers all together. So let's start with 5 times 78. So 5 times 78 is going to be 5 times 8, which is going to give us 40. Put the 0 here, put the 4 here. 5 times 7 is going to give us 35, plus 4 is going to give us 39. So 78 times 5 gives us 390. So now that we have 390, we're going to multiply 390 by 4. So 390 times 4 is going to give us 4 times 0, which is 0. 4 times 9, which is going to give us 36. So 6 down here, 3 up here. 4 times 3, which is going to give us 12, plus 3 is going to give us 15. So 390 times 4 is going to give us 1,560. So now we're going to multiply 1,560 by 13. So now that we have it lined up, let's multiply. 3 times 0 is going to give us 0. 3 times 6 is going to give us 18. And 1 up here. 3 times 5 is going to give us 15, plus 1 is going to give us 16. 3 times 1 is going to give us 3, plus 1 is going to give us 4. Now we're multiplying 1 by everything as well. We're placing whatever we get here, not here. So 1 times 0 is going to give us 0. 1 times 6 is going to give us 6. 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. 1 times 1 is going to give us 1. We add these two together. This is going to be 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Put the 1 here. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is going to give us 10. 1 here. And then 1 plus 1 is going to give us 2. So there you have it. 1,560 times 13 is going to give us 20,280. So 5 times x times y times z is going to be 5 times 78 times 4 times 13. And these multiplied all together are going to give me 20,280. And this will be my final answer.